All right, today we're going to talk about contouring, how to contour, and what's the importance of the contouring. It really defines your skin. It gives it a natural facelift look, and I do contouring with my face, but also my eyes. But today we're going to just talk mostly just about contouring the face. And really you only need a few products. I put some foundation, so I hydrated my skin with my natural products, and then I put my foundation on. Now, if you don't like to use a foundation, you sure don't have to. You can use a tinted moisturizer. You can use nothing. It doesn't matter. Contouring does add weight to your skin in the sense of a product, but it gives you this beautiful sun-kissed glow throughout the year. And I can really tell if I don't use it. So it's one of my everyday habits, and if I am even going grocery shopping and I'm not doing anything else, I'll still add a little contour. Or if I'm also gonna go hiking, I'll add a little contour. If I'm gonna go with a group of people, if it's just my husband and I, a lot of times I just go all natural, which is nothing wrong with that either. So the first step that we do is we take a dark contour stick, and depending on your skin tone and what you like, you can go lighter or you can go darker than this. I like to go darker, so I'm gonna just show you quick sweeps, what you do to your skin to add that contour look. So that's the first step, step number one. The second one is you grab your lighter stick, and you just basically will do kind of like triangle around underneath your eyes, go down like that. And that's your second step. Then you can grab a little bronzer. This comes in so many colors. I have multiple that I sell. This one is gonna be a sun-kissed glow. I have lighter ones, and ones with this little shimmer of pink, which is nice. But I'm just gonna add, because I wanna add a sun-kissed glow, so I'm gonna just add some of that at the base, put some on my nose, on my chin, and then I'm gonna also add a little bit around my forehead. Then I'm gonna take my blending brush. I sell these kits, and these kits come with everything. You can also buy it individually. When I sell the kit, it's discounted, which is really nice. So you get everything. But if you only need one product, there's no reason to buy a whole kit. What I love about this blending brush is it has two ends, and I'm able to then, with the smaller end, work detail like that. Also the hairline. So when you're doing my first one, I like to bring it up into the hairline. And then that triangle that was here, I just like to blend that all around my forehead like that. And then I take the small one and I go underneath the eyes, just to kind of blend that a little bit. Get it started. And your nose, you just kind of want to work your way down. You don't want to go in circles because you don't want to get rid of the color. You don't want to bring the dark up. You don't want to bring the light down. So you just kind of work your way down. And then that line, work your way down. And this line, I like to work kind of the direction the lines are going. And this one down, and this one around. Once I have that, then I start circling. And here again, I work my way to my hairline. I don't bring it down because then I'm gonna have this big dark streak going to my lips, which I don't want. So you work your way up. It's simple, it's just circles. It's all about blending. Now my skin has this most amazing, all natural looking sun glow. I love it. And then I have 3 different colors of blush. It looks purple, but it's burgundy. This is just kind of a muted pink, coral color, and then a bright pink. So I think tonight what I might do is put on, well, I'm going out tonight. That's why I say tonight. I think this would be a good look for tonight. And then I just blend that around and I bring it up. Again, I don't want my pink to go to my lips. The other little trick too is if you want a little, you can put a little tiny bit on your nose, and sometimes I add, not a lot, but I add a few dots here just to kind of give a little rosy glow, which I kind of like. I like that, especially if I'm going somewhere. It just kind of gives, we never think about putting our blush there. It doesn't make it like red, but it just kind of gives it that little glow, which I think is kind of pretty. And then I want to complete the look by a lip stain. So I'm going to do, what do you think I should do? Should I do a red or a pink or neutral? This is a lip stain, so it stays on my lips all night or all day, unless you're eating greasy food. If you're eating greasy food, it's gonna come off because that's how you take it off, with oils or face wash. Now it's gonna be a little tacky. So I sell these lip stains also, and they come in multiple colors. So this is just a neutral color. Now sometimes I like to do an ombre. So this is neutral. Let me grab just 1 second. I have a more hot pink one, and if you want an ombre look, so I have a natural on, which I love. I love that for my daytime. But then I'll put a little bit of this on. And the reason why I call it ombre is because you still can see the darker or the neutral one underneath, and this just kind of gives it, it's not quite, this would be a lot darker if I just use this alone. So if you're like wanting, and it's kind of a fun way to like change your lip styles up a lot. Lipstick colors a lot, is by changing and ombreing. If I put this on, it's really dark, and then I could add a couple dots of this and it will mute it down. If I do it the opposite way, this makes it a little like just a deeper color versus a bright, vibrant color, which I like. I love deeper colors. So now I have a contour face. It just has naturally lifted my face. It gives it a nice glow, and I am ready, set, go for tonight.